If you're a virtual teacher, it's hard to keep those students engaged, especially if it's the end of the day or if they've been in Zoom meetings all day long. That's why we created Trivia Maker, to turn your classroom into a game show. We believe that students learn best when they're having fun.
My students look forward to our game show time all week long. They love all the sound effects and the fact that it is really a game, just like the kind of games that they see on TV, really keeps them focused.
I love Trivia Maker because it really grasps my attention other than just sitting in class and being really bored.
I like that Trivia Maker isn't just multiple choice. It's got so many different options.
I like the wheel game when you get to choose the letters.
Creating a game is simple. You can choose between 4 different game styles to keep things interesting.
I love that the kids don't have to have their own special separate device. They don't have to download any apps. I can just share my screen and the kids are locked in, ready to go.
And even if you don't have time to make games, you can browse our teacher channel and game library that has thousands of pre-made games that you can use right in your classroom.
Trivia Maker is an excellent way to review content prior to a test or even to teach something for the first time. Kids think they're playing, but they're actually learning. Trivia Maker is an awesome way to review any content.
Start making games in minutes at triviamaker.com.